Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Safiur Rahman Wahyu Ramadhani from 3B English Department. And today I would like to share the inspiring story of Usman Kansong, known as the father of Indonesian public relations. And why is he so popular? Usman is not just a PR expert. He is a leader who changed how the government talks to people. In this presentation, I will tell you about his journey, his role, his big efforts, and what makes him unique. So, in the next slides, it is about who is Usman Kansong. He is a man with an incredible journey. He started as a journalist working for big names like Harian Republika, Metro TV, and Media Indonesia. This taught him how to understand people and the media. Later, he earned a doctorate in communication from the University of Indonesia, making him very smart at planning communication. From 2021 to 2024, he was the Director General of Public Information at the Ministry of Communication. And guess what? In 2021, PR Indonesia called him the father of Indonesian public relations for his amazing work, from journalist to national PR leader. And let's talk about Usman's big role in public relations. As Director General, his job was to share government policies clearly so people could understand them, not get confused. For example, he made sure policies on money or health were easy to follow. He also fought fake news by teaching people how to spot lies online through a digital literacy program. And also, he worked with a group called Bako Humas to make sure all government offices share the same message, especially during crises like disasters or pandemics. And here's something cool from him. He helps Indonesia shine globally by joining cultural programs in Russia, Belarus, and the US. Usman says good communication is like a bridge. It connects the government and people. And the next slide is Usman's big effort in doing his job. First, he explains tough policies like full price hikes or new laws, which could upset people. But Usman went to communities, talked openly, and helped them understand why these changes matter. Second, he played a huge role in global events like the G20 in Bali in 2022 and the ASEAN Summit in Jakarta in 2023. He managed media centers for over 1,700 journalists from around the world, making sure everything ran smoothly and Indonesia looked great. Third, during the COVID-19 pandemic, he led campaigns for the 3M rules: keep distance, wash hands, wear masks, and vaccination, reaching even remote areas. And the last, he expanded the internet access and taught people to avoid fake news. To me, Usman works is amazing because he didn't just sit in an office, he went out and made a difference. He said successful communication needs good planning and support, and he proved it on the world stage. Usman showed that PR is about more than talking, it is about building trust. And the next slide is what makes Usman so successful. First, his journalism experience gave him a deep understanding of media and people. And the second, his doctorate from the University of Indonesia, where he studied how media shapes opinions, helped him create smart, research-based plan. And the third, he is an inclusive leader. During COVID-19, his 3M and vaccination campaigns worked because he involved everyone, from government to local communities. And the fourth, he is a genuine communicator. He teaches at universities and trains public relations professionals, sharing his knowledge while still working hard. Public Relations Indonesia said good communication connects the government and people, and Usman lives that idea. And let's sum up with Usman Kansong's lasting impact. He transformed public communication in Indonesia, making government message clearer during crisis and boosting the country's global image through events like the G20 and ASEAN Summit. His work in fighting fake news and leading campaigns like COVID-19, 3M, and vaccination strengthened public trust. After stepping down in 2024, he emphasized that a critical press is essential for democracy, highlighting the role of honest communication. Usman's efforts show how public relations can connect governments and people effectively. And that will be all from me. Thank you for listening, and I hope this inspires everyone to value clear, trustworthy communication. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.